Financial Statement Section 240. A financial statement is a formal record of a company's financial activities and position, showing its performance, position, and cash flows for a specified period, helping stakeholders assess its financial health and make informed decisions. Components of financial statements. 1. Balance sheet, or statement of financial position, presents the company's assets, liabilities, and equity as of a specific date, usually the end of the financial year. Reflects the company's financial position by showing what it owns, assets, owes, liabilities, and its net worth, equity. 2. Profit and loss account, or income statement, summarize the company's revenues, expenses, gains, and losses incurred during the financial year. Shows the company's financial performance by indicating whether it made a profit or incurred a loss over the reporting period. 3. Cash flow statement, provides details of the company's cash inflows and outflows from operating, investing, and financing activities during the financial year. Helps assess the company's liquidity, ability to generate cash, and its use of cash for operating expenses, investments, and financing obligations. 4. Notes to financial statements, includes explanatory notes and disclosures that provide additional information about the company's accounting policies, significant accounting estimates, contingent liabilities, and other relevant details. Enhances transparency and clarity in understanding the financial performance and position depicted in the main financial statements. Purpose and importance. 1. Decision making. Financial statements assist stakeholders in making informed decisions regarding investments, credit extensions, mergers and acquisitions, and strategic planning. 2. Financial analysis. Facilitates financial analysis by comparing current and historical performance, assessing trends, and benchmarking against industry standards and competitors. 3. Disclosure and transparency. Promotes transparency and accountability by providing comprehensive and reliable information about the company's financial activities, policies, and performance. Regulatory framework and compliance. 1. Companies Act, 2013, prescribes the format, content, preparation, and presentation of financial statements for companies registered in India. 2. Accounting standards. Companies must comply with Indian accounting standards, Ind AS, or accounting standards as applicable, ensuring consistency, comparability, and reliability of financial reporting. 3. Auditing requirements. Financial statements must be audited by a qualified auditor, appointed by shareholders, to provide an independent opinion on their fairness and compliance with accounting principles and regulatory requirements.